Hi everybody, how are you doing today? This is Farhan from TheDesignersLaw. Today I will show you the easiest and the quickest way of removing background. So let's get started. There are a lot of tools that you can use to remove background or make a selection, but when it comes to hair selection, things get very difficult. Today we'll be using background eraser tool to remove background. For safety, first copy the layer by pressing Ctrl or Command plus J. Create a solid, pick any suitable color and put it below our subject layer. Now just click and drag to remove. When you click, it takes a sample color and removes only that color. Let's go to another example and check these settings. The first one, sampling continuous, takes sample colors continuously and removes those colors. Second one, sampling once, takes sample only once and removes only that color. The third one takes only the background color and removes that color. For example, now the background color is black, and if I try to remove the red, it won't do anything. But if I try to remove the black, it will remove it. Now there are three types of limits. The first one is discontiguous. It removes the sample color, and if it finds any other color in its way, it will not remove that color, but it will continuously remove the first sample color. Contiguous removes the sample color, and if it finds any other color in its way, it will just stop there. Fine edges is similar to contiguous, but it makes the edges a bit sharper. Tolerance simply measures the strength of selecting color range. Lower tolerance will select low range of colors and vice versa. Now let's come back to our main example. I will start from the beginning. First, make a copy of the layer, create a solid color and put it below the subject layer. Now make sure sampling once and continuous are selected. Set a suitable tolerance. And now just remove. Once you remove an area, you cannot take sample from that area because that area is empty. If I just turn off the layer visibility, you can see these areas are empty. We just put a solid color for our convenience. Once you are done with the critical areas, now you can just remove it very quickly. You can now just use the eraser tool. Great, we are almost done. If you look closely and think you made the hair thinner, then take a sample color of the hair and create a solid color and clip it. With the foreground color black selected, press Alt or Option plus backspace to create a black mask. Now with the brush tool selected and white as a foreground color, just paint. Change the blend mode. You can also reduce the opacity. Great, we are done. The problem of this method is that it is restrictive and most cases it doesn't work. But when it works, it can save a lot of time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.